Management consulting cases for job interview, practical guide, how to get into consulting. Consulting is still one of the most difficult places to get into. Only roughly 5% of the candidates that take the first step, being the math tests, are actually getting a proposal and they land a job in consulting. This is due to many factors. One of them is basically the process is very long and demanding. You have from 3 to 9 interviews. But on top of that, you have to solve a lot of cases during the interview that will always come as a surprise to you. So you have to be a fast thinker, but you also need some framework how to solve those cases. And in this course, I will actually show you how to do it. I have a large experience in this because I've done over 200 interviews with different people that I was first of all accepting into consulting and then training them to be great world-class business analysts. So in short, you will learn how to solve cases during the job interview in order to increase your chances of getting the job. The course is organized into sections, so we're going to start with the useful techniques that you should master in order to increase your chances of solving the cases you will be presented with, and then we'll move on to cases. So first of all, we start with market estimation cases. Later on, we do sales and marketing cases that are followed by strategic cases. At the end, we're going to do something which is called operational cases. So everything around running the company and then maximizing the output, increasing the performance. Last but not least, we're going to talk a little bit on the recruitment process and what you should actually put in the CV in order to increase your chances of getting into the recruitment process. In order to get the most out of the course, I would propose you to first go through the problem set, the lecture where you have described the case study you would have to solve. Then you should pause the course and solve the problem on your own. And only after that, move on and see what was the solution. In this way, you get not only my feedback, but you will see what were the errors you made in the way you were trying to approach the case. In short, the course is obviously for people who want to get into consultant or want to become business analysts. But actually, if you think about this, a lot of companies have a very similar recruitment process, especially the big corporations like Procter & Gamble and Unilever. You will learn in this course the main techniques you will need to solve cases that you will be faced during the job interview. But I'll also teach you how to approach cases, structure problems in order to show your value to the recruiter. You will get from this course, obviously, the problem sets and the case studies, this description, and also the solution to the problem sets, as well as the whole logic behind the solution, so you can replicate it on your own during the job interview. So enjoy the course, and I hope you will get the job you're dreaming of.